We're going to do sound effects now. Colin and Ryan, this is for you. Colin is going to perform an everyday activity, like getting ready to do that. But you're going to be miming it, and Ryan is going to be providing the sound effects using that microphone. So, Colin, can you be taking a shower? Away you go. Right. Okay. I'll just mime giving the points to Colin and make a sound effect for Ryan. Okay, let's do it again.